Hello, greetings everyone. This is Therapy Takedown, and today's videos I am going to discuss a serious Pakistani issues that has been discussed by a senior dermatologist, Dr. Zakia Noor. We were diving into something super serious but also kinda funny. In what were they thinking the way? Have you seen that Instagram reel by Dr. Zakia Noor? She is a top Pakistani dermatologist. In it, she shares a crazy clinic story. A couple comes in for the wife's back acne, but the husband, oh boy, he start insulting her right there, like, look at this mess, fix it. The wife start crying. And get this, he pulls out his phone and shows Dr. Zakia's pictures of glamorous Pakistani actress like Mahira Khan, Hani Amir. Make her look like this. Can you imagine? This wife feels like a trash, and he is treating the doctor like a magic fairy godmother. This isn't just one story. Pakistani makeup artist Babar Zahir sharing similar tales on Insta and TikTok. Husband dragging wives to salons, shaming them over pimples, weight, or skin. And guess what? These cases are popping up more and more. Women are now running to psychologists like, well, future me for help. In this video, we will unpack why this happens in our male-focused society and some laugh to roast these hobbies, behavior and talk what we can do as a psychologist. Stick around. It will be take a few minutes of eye-opening and giggles. Hit like if you seen this nonsense and subscribe for more psychic tips. Let's start. Okay, let's get real. What happened to this wife? It's not just about acne, it's emotional abuse. The husband didn't hit her, but his word cut deep. He made her feel ugly, worthless, like her value is only in looking like a movie star. In Pakistan, our society is still very male oriented. Men often think they own their wives' look. Beta, eat less, or why no makeup sound familiar. Dr. Zakia's story hit hard because it's everywhere. Makeup artists like Babar Zahir say husband book appointment and boss around. She must have perfect skin for family photos. The wife sit quiet, eyes down, heartbreaking. And state shocking. In Pakistan, studies show almost 71% of women face verbal abuse from partner, yelling, shaming, controlling. These cases are rising fast. Why social media? Everyone see filtered actors and influencers. Husband compare, why can you be look like her? But ladies, remember those pictures are edited. Real skin has stories, not filters. These shaming lead to a big mental problems, low self-esteem, anxiety, even depression. The wife start hating her mirror, and now more women are seeking help from psychologists. Clinic in Lahore, Karachi, waiting rooms full of heartbroken hearts. As a psychologist student, I see it in my books. Emotional abuse mess with your brain. Happy chemical. It feels like a slow poison. Let's roast for these husbands for a minute. Now lighten up this because crying over acne is bad, but laughing at these idiots needs therapy. Let's do a quick skit. Imagine the hubby. We will claim her Mr. Macho. Mr. Macho says, use a green screen of simple props. Husband, wife, John, my back is itching from this heat. Maybe acne again. Husband bursts it in my phone, big voice. Arey yaar, you look like a potato with spots. Our neighbor wife has glow like Myra Khan. Fixed it now. But I will work all the day. Husband, work, beauty is duty. Tomorrow, clinic. They will go to a dermatologist. Okay, a mild acne, use this cream twice a day. Husband, cream no, make her look like this. Say see Aisha, perfect back, zero pimples, photoshop like her. Doctor, bro, that's not the skin works. Go read a book. But seriously, folks, this comedy hides pain in our society. Men learn from movies. Wife must be a trophy. Dad says, marry a pretty one. But news flash, Mr. Mustache, beauty fades, kindness stays. And ladies, don't take this crap. You are more than skin deep. Quick stat roast. One study's emotional abuse hits self-esteem hard, leading to anxiety in 80% of cases in our society. The psychological and what we do in these cases is step 1, individual therapy for her. Case 2, couple counseling, bring hubby and teach empathy to them. Step 3, for societies. As a psychologist student, we run workshop in most schools. Men love isn't tooks, push hotlines like Rosen or Unwoman Pakistan for abuse stop, and for rising cases, early intervention, sports sign in checkups. If she anxious about appearance, dig deeper. Remember, emotional abuse is real. It's linked to depression and even physical health. Okay, that's all for my side. I hope you like these videos. If you like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and take care. Allah Hafiz.